Good afternoon, students. Today, 12th accountancy. Last class, we are studying financial statement. Financial statement. Each and every company prepare financial statement. Financial statement only reflected in year end of that company, profit oriented or loss oriented or constant level oriented is final conclusion. It's very important now. Each and every company follow this financial statement. Financial statement only correct reflection in current position. Reflected in current position. Okay, students. Chapter 2. Not for profit organization. First one, illustration 1. Listen. This page you can screenshot. Okay, students. First I read the question. From the following particulars, Tamil Nadu Educational Society prepare a receipt and payment account for the year end of 31st March 2019. Some particulars or some data is given, but you prepare in which one is receipt, which one is payment, which one is incoming, which one is outgoing. You prepare which one is incoming, which one is outgoing. Okay. First question, opening cash balance 1 for 2018. But this 2018 mentioned. But question which year prepare? March 2019. Okay. Rent paid. Rent paid means incoming or outgoing? Paid means outgoing. Scholarship given, outgoing. Entrance fees received, that is income. Building purchased, outgoing. Staff salary is outgoing. Subscription received, that is incoming oriented content. Listen, students, this chapter you first read income oriented or expense, or in which one is incoming, which one is outgoing. First you read and next you enter accountancy note. This single side paper or double side paper, this sum is used why everybody accountancy note you write only in double side paper. One side DR, next one side is CR. Okay, listen students. Explanation, solution. In the book of Tamil Nadu Electricity Society, the receipt and payment account for the year end 31st March 2019. First one is to balance B by D. Why you put B by D? This is opening capital means one opening capital, next closing year, that is next year opening capital. This is 2018 opening capital, but the sum is 2019 means this is to balance B by D. Balance B by D. Cash in hand. How much cash in hand? 18,000 over. Next one, entrance fees. Entrance fees is a receipt, income oriented. 18,500. Next one, subscription received. One subscription received. How much? 2 lakh 65,000. This side by rent paid. By rent paid. Paid means what? Outgoing. Incoming or outgoing? Outgoing. Paid means outgoing. Scholarship given. Outgoing. By building purchased. Outgoing. By salary staff. Outgoing. But this side 3,00,500 amount is reflected, but this side is some shortage. Some shortage means this balance amount. Which method you calculate? Highest total means lowest total. That answer is what? Balancing figure. The highest total, this side total, lowest total, you minus 15,500, that is balancing figure. By balance C by D. How much? 15,300. This is cash in and this double size same line only you put right. One side up, one side down means sum is wrong. Answer is wrong. Even same line only, DR and CR you write. Same line only. Up and down, do not write in up and down. You write only in same line only. You write only in same line only. Okay students, next one sum. Sum number 3. Listen students, this chapter, sum number 1, sum number 3, you compulsory you enter your class work. You enter your class work. Recorded class you regularly you follow means, following means easy accountancy. Very easy only. Third one, from the following particulars, Chennai Sports Club prepare receipt and payment account for the year end of 31st March 2018. First one, opening cash balance, opening bank balance. Next one, interest paid, outgoing, telephone expense, outgoing, upkeep of ground is expense only. Life membership fees received. Received means receipt. Bat and balls purchased. Purchased automatically. CR side. CR side you enter payment only. Heading is what? Payment. DR side is receipt. CR side is payment only. Next one, subscription receipt. Subscription 2016 and 17, 17 and 18, 18 and 19 is how much? 74,500. Tournament expense. Tournament expense is payment. Tournament fund receipt. Fund receipts. Fund receipts mean automatically DR side. Next one, closing cash balance is 5,000. What? DR side or CR side? Closing means automatically you enter in CR side only. Okay, listen students. First one, you write to balance B by D. That is first column is inside column. Second one is outside column. Already 11th standard studied. Double figure means you first you write in inside column. You directly you write in outer column. You write means that is wrong. Double figure means you write only in what? Inside column only. You add or less something. Anything else? You write only answer only, total answer or total answer only you write enter in outer column. Second column is outer column. First one, to balance B by D, the cash 10,000, bank how much? 15,000 added 25,000. The life member fees is how much? 5,500. The tournament fund 15,000. Receipt side is only is received. Income oriented content only you enter in receipt side. Payment content or payment oriented content you enter in CR side. DR means debit. CR means what? Credit. Next one, the tournament fund received 15,000. Next, the subscription received. The 3-year subscription you write, you enter in inside column or outer column. Inner column first you write. Total figure only you write in outer column. Total figure only you write in outer column. Next one, total is how much? 1,20,000. This side, CR side, by interest paid, that is outgoing content. Telephone expense, that is outgoing. Upkeep of ground expense, that is upkeep means that is some alterations, that is expense only. By next one, by bat and balls purchase expense, tournament expense. Next one, by balance C by D. By balance C by D is closing balance is how much? Listen students, sums you enter only in closing balance or opening balance, but you converted in to or by balanced or to balanced. By balance C by D how much? 5,000. That is total figure. Highest total is lowest total minus means that is reflected in balancing figure. That is balancing figure of 60,000. You enter. Next you same DR side and CR side, you same line you enter in total amount. You enter in total amount. The total amount you enter clearly. This up and down do not write students. You write same only. DR side and CR side same line only you write. This is what method? Receipt and payment method. This is what method? Receipt and payment method. Listen students, one important format. Each and every students, please you read and thorough this format. This format you thorough means this chapter you fully thorough. So many different entries you this entries in format. You read thoroughly this format. You format this you thorough means automatically this lesson sums is very easy only. Listen students, you can screenshot students this page. Okay students, next week what? Revision, sorry, monthly test. Monthly test, you best presentation only. Okay, online class, stay home, okay, everything okay, but your study is last year 11th standard, this year 12th standard, more responsibilities. Okay, next year college admission means very less mark, you got very less mark means your name is waiting list only. You starting stage itself you read properly. Starting stage itself you read properly means automatically your marks is best mark only. Okay students, next week monthly test, read properly, more practice sums, more practice some example sums and book back sums. Okay students, thank you. Next one class we will discuss next one new topic. Okay, thank you students.